Apostle shalom.
Yahweh shalom na Jessica papa.
Na me no say evangelist.
Yeah.
Evangelism no so odaso ye.
Yeah.
I didn't hear me say ene ye be wie ye ne asofo no me dem mienu mu beba.
Okay.
Say apostle evangelist Prosper Tando on evangelism na no ye. E dey be kra na evangelism. Ene ye share we experience. Ne am fan to evangelism na ye hu no. Fise gu ahodo ye wo ma de ahuja kotim montre so car station stores anim edwom. Ene ye wo mu so a wo mu enam ka mu. Ene ye wo ema no so a ayi se wo mu nkyai ayi megaphone. No mu so nam edwom. Na ye wo mu so mu tim faako. Ene ye wo mu so mu de jisa kam. Abonefo no bi ni ba bia. Abonefo no nyina agu VIP. Abonefo nyina fo VIP ni VIP mu nkwa na se wo preach. Ebi kontokwa so onim. So to ne nyame adom wo ka se man ye de. Wo de opa ko VIP sa wo kofuru. Ye no bi sa se wo ka ho. Aye no presentation pictures association ye si form. Yakopon so frese adwuma no so.
Yeah.
E dia aswafo no ko frɛ apafo no bebrenya dai. Adwam. Afedi sa apafo no ba. Na bi no aye nansa akokɔ na wo mu hwete atugu. Apostle dia be evangelism. Ye nche.
Jo na Jessica papa. Mechia peace atiefo. Mechia chima samanka se heno sabere medu da akwoto so miensa. Nana chia chima samanka se fo nyina mechia living Yahweh 7 days Sabbath Sabbath. Masafo manyina masofo ni masori mpanyimfo elders mechia omnyina. Nana
Apostle
say evangelism na abano ebi man from wedi na India mekans ma from wedi ni say yeah starting 86 87 hono yeah the betu military no regime no it is abẹ na ye che wo hwo
na me catch
mo madam de wo ya hweme
na me catch mo asa
aba from wedi exactly say abẹ no ano pa CDR militia just say ye ba be chewa akohwe ye ma kwanse gina ha be bia wo gina wo kan nyame asem ba o ma fom ho adi ena bi kasa fom ho di da tam ye start ye ne de nana obi na mu da
le jawom
obi na mu da obi an hwe no ye che ni ntum da eti no ofogina wa na se obi na no keka bia keke nana ye evangelist yakaso bi yesampakani na na obi a wage nyame adi bia etimi yesampakani asena asem wo beti asena na ojiji nko ade nyankopɔ aye odansini eti evangelist no aye kan evangelism ne ye say who spread the word of God message no na sesi akam ye say akwese sika collection year nti ana ma sesi ye kasetia na ka hwe mu a anka so obi kwa sori na so o kan nyame asam na collection obi to be man anka nyamfom so ba ebi mu di ade na be ye o madwuma wo bra o mu ni asori obo point
a full time evangelism
e ne be yaketu abo nyame na ebre wo mu a obi be kan nyame asam anya afobuo but onim so woka akogem yemfantoa na yema asam na nimu nyadan ena ho nana ukwa nyame asam akire obi na nipa no when obi also ye evangelism no so also ye evangelist e se wo kire aba waso so when timi anso aba jadwuma no yo ebi su kwa kasam no wo bra wo ni message because you make us a friend saying don't be a messenger without a message.
Osmafo a won kura asambia
ko jabonten oni message na ni se wa pe dem re punyum baako na obo no kase ni obi wa odi nyum ni hia mu apɛ won mu apɛ e sankani ya bo achima kasa wie de obi abetwi di amame sabrei eso on kanya miasam o eti won twem no wadi aso akanya miasam awie odi ni sa obi so gina 2 cities 1 city Mama 20 pesos. Club it me the atum.
Me penipa 19. Mo be chemi.
Obi timi ka ana urade kasa kira me. Say dem beja nipa 20. E bit mama me 20 Ghana. Odi adum bi ana me so ba bia wo gina yi. Baby, I would drink. I don't mind the bow. Nana, say, Yamasam can. Yamapon Frozen, yes, and Kania. No one just said, can I see a man call? Make up what he say, make up what he say. Bible say, who was swabao. And you answer the question, can you, as on your church? Say the way you're bit me a track and a password in with your pointed church, you know. And your case will be evangelist, evangelist will be a sorry. Me evangelists were living our seminary. We evangelists for Pentecost. We evangelists for Presbyterian. Now who are we just station? We evangelists were. Just a free thinker. On no one on them baby.
Evangelism, you are freelance evangelist. But
no, I'm quite Nana.
Almost a paparazzi.
I'm not sending Panankasani in Paja number 1. Sansa, one church I'll call. On the Sunny Pakuna Casano. Only church alcohol. Sani pani hit and run. Obo kunwako. Obo kunana yama babon kasa. Nana yanko ayat John chapter 15 verses number 16. Quotation in flow. Babu kasa. 15:16.
Chichemo ye edu ensia.
Kwa.
Enya mo na mo yi.
Yesu na se ni Messiah Yeshua na kasa no.
Me na mayi mo.
O se nye yi no ya fra no no afra yen.
Na me de mo se wo se.
O de yesi wo se.
Monko so aba.
Yanko so aba number 1. Na aba ni yadan. Obi preach kanation 10 years ni o timi so aba ba ko. O chemi ni ba ko sakra no.
Food bridge ni ase wa.
Ho no jira but o se ko so aba na aba ni yadan. Entra ho. Eti o so aba no a ese un point ba bia akra no do o yadan. Eko. Eti se o fi o ye evangelist dia o boga no a ese o timi nya akra o ye otako free nipa mienu miensa na agye di no hu se waso aba abawe ya so ye oti down wem
apostle ayi evangelist for that isa no wo musi bi misa asema wo kan mi misa asasem we
bisa me
e bia me free akọ agona kwanya akọ agona nya akuru
in the name of church ben
na me dia menam na e ka makoma se men kan sem panchire wo na me aso so me ye 7th living
our 7 day ni
living our 7 day ni na mo ma ho na soro no ebi ni ho
kokoso ebi banya asoro bi
me twesa akra no a sabe me ka tro mama pete awie oya na ni be Roma mu o what be Presby mu o Pentecost mu o say me wie maduma
nana say and if I hit around wabu adwane ko nana as I say ukokro bi so na sa wofo say o evangelist evangelical work ye na bondingo an utimi ko free church bi we church o mu no gidie ni ko no wa akoko sem pese me evangelical work ukokro a ya so ni bi ni ha etimi support we ni yenye to betimi aye wo wi abekọ dem wo be follow up akodem I mean kotu quotation e just so timi kodem hoso yenko Matthew chapter 9 verses number 35 so timi evangelism ye bi waso dem
ani so say on Matthew etisan
etim kronchichemu aduasanum
etim kronchichemu ya aduasanum
wo di ba ntina me de ba yesu chi nkro ni nkurase ko
acheche won shadem
wan eti wan say odi shia da dan o ko oye asem package man odi osan ko dem eti we no se wa ko kro bi so na se asori a wo ni bi ni ho a ese o pe church bi na mo mu se wo be evangelist na o akra be nya o do me pa sa shia da dan we mu ene che se wa so ba o no aba na tena ho na kan chese me preach everything no aso bia wo dad hwe unya evangelist
ma fru VIP ah ko keep ana ma kan sempa na me duru we ne ba junction me na sabre wo so ko ebi kura kwata kura de half asini ni azim wo ma so da bem na
na VIP ya na down enya se bi twa no ma ne kan se me hwe enya se bi condemn VIP ni kan preach me okwa ma me fro kan preach da because message am de man ansome and I was so yet entimi so aba ma ho etu jaka mu a preacher be preach nyina say nkranhye sem na aka che nipa because ye nyina bas mu mo doctrine ye preach doctrine obas mu to be preach doctrine obas mu ayasere sem na ko jemu akoyie a che nkrofo no anya kwa ayewi eti no nanai ye esese ye ma etiefo ti ase ne say wo kokko preach bas mu akra he ana okotwe wonhwe akra ye eye won atim na wo shom nkran won atika na wo shom nkran but atim ntwakra da na yama sam na nim na ho Nana yema Bible nkasa wa Bible kasa. Nana pacho ka quotation we me ne hwade wa. Philip chapter 1 verse 15. Philip 1:15.
Philip woman said you want any port command no. Eti ba kon. Jemo ye edu enu. Philip chapter 1
verse number 15.
15. Ebinum wo ho a. The tiny to 20. And waka Christo masempa. Nanso. Afoforo so ho a. What did they and so prepare almost with the initial Casempa. Before those who quite the job one ten, me book crowd, or being take card nasi. My prepare me in my coja, Bantam on a Mikokanyanko pass up. I say me free hormone, no young Kupaya, Madam, Man Fanny Punk with them, commit me 200 trained about them. Maswaba. As soon as said, young crab become 100. Because what did you punk with them one? Wouldn't you check more over tears and penny over circle? And you all want to pass on the bed and a bomb at us here. And it is what was swabble. And what that's what preaching carnation. 10 years now, when Timmy point to be our sacrano. Oh, problem with him. Now I am about on Casa. So I can show my sacred brain and you was I want to go to 4. Now what's a candy padan who knows one Gasa Ujabian say? Oh, yeah, when they are quite Pentecost. Nana, function como. Wow, who now Casano as a so to me as Falico. And to number 1 and Casa Wetty. Who you need? Because when the church, alcohol, such a cross on the communion 1. A cross on the 2. One Casa Ubas. One Casa the communion. And one Casa no to see. But the numbers, the show in a microbus. I think you pass him number bus. But Domijum. The show in a microbus. Now when you're evangelist. Better take better take to Petra. Unya to pay. Unya evangelist. So what is hard here? Romans 16:18 be you. Wafunti nanam. Poka sembi wo. Poka sembi. Yemi sembi a poka na. Poka sembi 1 Corinthians chapter 9 verse 16. Koronto fongma edikan eti enkron. Chemua eye edu enum. Kampano so Koronto fongma PSC no. Eti nkonchemudu na medie. Manfa yenum bia anya hwe. Na mantre yenum se wonyo no saa ema me. Ko 16. Na eye ma me se anka ni wuro chense obi be ma mawo aye kwa. Pacho one says now kan no. Na se me ka sempa no yes. Enya bia me de wo me ho. Number 1. If you say etwa meka. Na se manka sempa na minie. Eti asempa na okoka no abaso ne hia nyankopon wo. Nyeni tahunu keke. Ti se woni message na menko. Ese etwa se wo so aba. Wo ye full up. Your baby will preaching. I told you, me people preach your area. If you need patron with the measure, no, nipa better trend natural with you. But you can't see about what them, nipa buy 50 pe. If you know about the sanwa, me son could jump on tibium. Nymphy actually, your personal work. Sansa in yourself, wait, Johnny Dean, or to fear him, 2 1 my friend, what wow. But when you are a argument in the one thing, Yama. Tis I follow up on one. Men son count, you are meant to be the house night, as I got down back. House to house, no. I don't know nipa no only 1 and I kasa. No, ultimate asanase so den. Entam more. By yeah, nana ya kasa no. Obi su people so yisi omo evangelist and so nya papa. And twakra. Wo hia obi okita book bi. No hia wo. Na obi so nkate e. O se jana me no nka me no ncha nya asam 1 minute ya. Na wan we book we wan say ade bi da. Edi ntrom no and we so ye odwan oni na ntwie na gina ho ye boy bra ye a ye ni enwani na ntwie nyina ne mponchen ani jata betra one day we nyam sam nkate wura na nkasa no ogira onyina no ono amapa ye tobi enti we ankwana so mu da ye ade ni na ntwie ni free ni pa ni so na mun moku said na mun jakra atabuku bi ade we nyam sam ka Nana, my cousin do one. Asem the cano. Abaso ni hia yakopon won. Se asem the touching the panel. Nipa ba ko trust akana do papa ni pe. Danso be ko jaso so nipa keke. Wonti bisa asem ya o keche ni pe kra no. Enye ya o kan kwa no. Ore. Obi e begin no ha ade no. O ha bi na. Na aja che we. Wo wi nso a Tiese bi wakacho book here kura mi so no me nton bat ogia the obetimi dia ma mi bia no meje well indirect
Indirect. What on? Oh, Nana, Yama Babu, indirect. What
on? Your body nationally. You want for the book, the book of Bible story. I say, Brother, I'm not for top papa. My for toy. I'm a quaper one who goes to me. I'm a grand legion. Would not in kind. Or for Nina. One who on the party. And a Ojaya, one the Pataku Edim, and a Tabrua. The Tabrua Elunu upon Chitri.
Nana, Yama Babu and Casawa. Nana, oh, Babu Assem Yorkania. Pork Assem didn't say in a book. Now, some of pork out didn't say in a bono. Or Trey, or yes, Pekani. Yama Gida Pokai. 1 Corinthians chapter 9, verses number 2. Menya small form a binimoa. No appointed the baby. When you small form, if you say, Miss Mafia, and so on, animal one, I can't watch you or point from Sano. My son Cano and Swano Nemo. What you be? I want you to one dance here. Me, yeah, no, yeah. When I'm money, and so I need to when you be the queen in 1 month. To be me, yes, some pecani mobia. I just saw a Pentecost knee, and I see a knee, and I saw Miss knee. Nana, don't preach in evangelism. Don't preach. You will be because what don't preach or and into evangelism. I get a voice training. A voice training. A voice training. Now we a voice training. A voice training. A voice training. A voice training. You come evangelism now. And I want you. Nana when you podcast anywhere, as I'm not kind of a mudo, Okaka maybe wa, no Okabiwa, to Kabab when I quote Luke chapter 4, verse 43.
Look at some part 80 and 9. At your 9 years. Now, I'll catch that one say, Yajin come is here, catch him say, as a semi Kenyan coupon, as a semi Kenyan coupon in Wasam and Crawford, I sent Crawford, if you say, Yea, our boat, Yea, your boat, this Sumame. Nana, Kakat one, or see any about this man, and so check and check for who do be brave, as a panacea, as a traffic, Oka for the grandma, Oka, as some Udia, share them, until you keep, but I saw them, Nana Pachom, Kadibwa, Uba Old Testament, a different Naya San Pacafo. Yeah. Brother, Timmy court quotation be okay as I says 3, as I says Naya, Isaiah, Yankopod Assam Sumano, Oba as a friend saying, a Jonah, or Yankopod Assam Sumano, Jeremiah, or the Assam Sumano, quotations now, let us say, make me quotation now. Omi Naya San Pacafo, a two back, love me more quotation when I do, Isaiah 43 verse 10. Odi4 Isaiah Romano, Oba Pentecost, Najidia, we are San Pacani, and we are not as dear me, which is San Pacani, and to win your between Nakayam. Monday, my dance for. Yeah, I didn't know. I didn't know. I didn't know. And then my core may you know. Some who money mini. Namu must say, Mia Menano. Well, and to the post here, I dance for. And to be our JDP, I don't make Christian Wooding, I dance here. But Nana's will be quite Faku. Up for Faku 10 years. Nana, but sir, Munko yourself and then you know what. Now, also. New PlayStation, when I come to forfeit, Nipa, and can help maybe a Nipa Gada Cassia. We Kaneshi market. Now you cycle. And a VIP, and I never count. Now I say CMB. So, Samia can Nipa Gada Cassia, some to catch Nipa. And it's a Yamia Madonna's a new PlayStation, one in Nipa Taba. Let there be a new PlayStation. And you must say, what is wrong with that? Nane. Yankai first Timothy, second Timothy. Maminka Zembi. Now him says say Satan so up modern so up na sem pakafo.
I'm not so cry.
But that be on fake.
Yeah, to say that's what penny did.
For fake.
Until one and I said, oh, my as a package man any when you're day. And now, Saki, be what the wa, and make Obio Timmy Bia was so a person evangelist Biano on password on your day. On call. Now on young church and Timothy Yanko. 2 Timothy chapter 2 verse 15 verse 18 15 to 18.
But modern found who jina Onyankopon anim
ya
ofat.
So also be kasam no kwa dia.
Say odwuma ye ni a e di say ofede.
Number 1.
Na okura no kwasem no mu
pepe.
Na ensewuhuo a ehontie ehontie no de. You
free ho. Ko
na wakọ won anim
na won it is won a when
wakọ won anim amusubom
bi mu kom anim abusubom
na won asem bayira se yare boni na won mu bi ani himenio
e pon na kasa no
ani fileto
ko
a watere
won ho
ekase owunya na etu
anti Paul time starting na bi mo so e preach negative won na Satan approach won nana eto be asempa kan won o ka Nyankopon tibi message bi mawa enkrofo bi nti e no de amawo et area na wugina no yitina uja fa akwa be hadwene yitina okwa ti Nyankopon kra ka se ukọ be kra ne anyewa mo propose na sim futuro emu kuro no so se ukọ just circle la pass na se anyewa hifo na anyewu nti a propose na se la pass nana hifo na anyewu nti a propose na se la pass dia na chese obi akọ kanya mesema ya anya no ukọ kuro wesu ni anyewa mo propose na sim futuro mu kuro no so eti ukọ la pass na se ya anyewu na anyewu ani to propose na se la pass kwan ben so who dey nya sanka ya den ya tawo who dey nya chop money because message no and na one ona tisa no to dey ya kan say no a no adwen yon say e bia ye nkwan ye pese ye adwuma odwuma no ba fofo timi nyo enti so fo so wo ani che adwuma na pasori wuram wo wura sori ni mu a asori ni bema won tete etu tira pontin a wo kasa in the name of your church wo kasa akasa bia me kwa sori we ti wa waje di bia no wo bodwa no a nipa miensa enan na mi ko Japan tin na nipa kwant mi twa wunhia na se wo kasa no a asam obi twam akọ obi na twam o
atona bia obi o preach atona bia ti say amafo twam a wo ya attention bia ni ho ano na ya na akire so ana afo obi emu a no ya se apimakutie di atem wonue wana Nyankopon asem ye nkwase asem ma wo ni na me so obebu nkwase afo na what you just asem no obo pa ye ka bukura no wankata wani a o tu yo say ye nkanya asem nkire ti bonkoso na nne nwanwa say wona o eti bonkoso bi wo ka yi mu a mpa ye kwa ye mo no mu
amukata obani
o me ni pa bi o prima kutia ni so ano ya obi bia no ya o twa ni pa sa patesefo evangelist sorry Apostle Okwajeman, Living Yahweh 7-day Sabbath assemblies. Living Yahweh 7-day Sabbath assemblies.
Okay.
In your market.
Nana Jessica Papa.
Apostle.
No, yen si won kwan so won kanya mi asemu. Me point ni say, asole be na woko. Won kwa asole we di ka tre ho dada.
And the evangelist are only as own flash of moon.
Yeah. It is so forcing Nyankopon afra dia, and yet ya asole preko. So for sing Nyankopon afra wa. Ti asore na se wo.
Was say asore na nkasa wo no. Your fivefold ministry. Ba ko ni evangelism.
Fivefold ministry na yet ma wa church ni mo. Within the church.
Not outside.
Not outside.
Evangelism also on tiaso.
There be over sorry bim. I cannot de kwahin. Nyankopon si yanko so aba na aba ntra. Ye nia bia no ka ono hamu we say Ethiopian ni wo kan 8 as 8 verses number 26 na nana pacho wadauruma yema babo ne kasa ho
asrafo ngoma
820 so de tie say da 70 say ene ne de o kire no a
anchemu say
eduonu nsia
na awurade
bofo ka kire Philip say
sore kwa anafo from kwaya
na de na asie ho
isari free Jerusalem kwa Gaza no so esra so kwai na wo sore kwai na hwe Ethiopia ni ba ma bia oye Ethiopia fo hima kan
ya
fiani tumfo a ohwe sika nyina so ni oba Jerusalem abesom
Wa baba sum no ko. Na won kunkun na cho kunkun na ka no anti ase. En na no ba di Nyankopɔn hu nti ofa. Ye nua Philip sa onko chechire na asɛm ni mu. Etu chechire no ye no ba 38 30 we no a obona su.
Thank you.
Nana Uda brother down obehu
na onam ekwan so kro no okodura asuo mi so na opiani no eka kire Philip say hwe nsuo nie e de na simasu mo ho kwan na Philip say wo de wakoma nyina gidia na wo ho kwan sa
kaka to aso no hye
na obuya say bigimi di say Yesu Kristo ni Nyankopɔn ba na ohye Matiase na mi gina
na wadawo mo ohye Matiase na mi ye den ti da ben ye wa ma pass bia gina okwan so da da ben wa ma pass bia gina na wo ade no asem no kase me kan nyamesam wo kan men fa we me justify what unyamesam wo kan kan na yanya de bo aye ma Bible nkasa asem no ye koka no yanya de bo Luke chapter 8
Luke and Sempa
verse 1
etimotwe chichemu a eye baako Luke 8
verse 1
verse number 1 was say na eba say ye tire no okofa enkuro ni nkura aka Nyankopɔn ni wa Sempa tire
nana Yesu Kristo wanya baako ye kebi okrom ye kebi won klase ene je so ye evangelism no one part one place to we Ediagina, and ye can was a match. Would you not pay one house or call? And I would know you wakatia, sending a wedding to Wodia. Connection yet, no, Nana, so obedient collection on your mistake.
Now, Chairman, maybe Sas, our question.
And I'm privileged in a
evangelist and Teria, Reverend Ode Kobina, Evangelist Elias Sapon, the Evangelist Set Howard, Etras, episodes and other than the Bia Fako. There's a question and conformism. Don't just say Yanko for maybe any part of the world. I want Nasamura. People took quite the Bia. Yeah. 2 quarters of new PlayStation. If I know Panipa Borbor, we are Borbor, and Borbor. And you want to say Kokamias.
Nana, so see one has or Kokamias Amadia. A domino or Kanyamias Machono, as well as much require you. As I said, what's Abanua, not Abana, so ye dear. That is Abano, what Casabuka and Fasobia Maso. It is all Casama who is one Casawa Jumano. It is possible as all pointing or some Mensuano, dear, animal, only Mensuano, dear, anything for. I know my ira. To some confirm now to Nana. And I'll be as a sort of point to
Isaiah 55, 10 and 11.
To Isaiah 55, verse 10 and 11. Isaiah 55, 10 and 11.
Yeah.
When you go past some Makwa, as some Makwa would it now the tower
55, 10 and 11. Now said, yeah. Osioni suchrema
ya
every
sugu famu na ensa nkobio no
just a for asase
just a for asase ansa
ema no ba aduane na eso aba na de abamu ogufo na aduane no ma odifo no sana masemo a efiri manum beye ensa ne ma emma menche kwa just a ye de mepe na ewie de
ye wie ejasem no ese aso aba.
Yeah.
Well, it is a seminal swabber. Now you can answer me. We can Munadia and the James 3, verse 1.
Yakubo, the woman Etimiansa, Chichemua, Eye Bako, Hebrew for the Chino, James chapter 1,
James 3, verse 1.
Verse 3,
verse 1.
Minianum. Munya a church for
Munchamania church for Bibli. Namunin said, You bring your folk womb. It's so many of folk when you don't ye. A football one summoning to so many more 1 year, Papa Yan year. As on your church, Nana, my for church again. So, oh, you tried about 2 Timothy chapter 3, verses number 14.
Timothy, it is a
dream, and me and such a would do 9.
2 Timothy chapter 3, verse number 14. Now, dear, Tradia was young, and Ukraine. Wouldn't him only come. And so when you will be. Obi when you want to come I wish you had different chain now ni baby kunsu a what you can ade be dan what the back oh san so we nyina ma wasa kana wo ye no akwati say bia asa wo na wa employ wo wa fa wo adwuma mo nyame mfra wo person for so na we won obu a wo so anopa na wan kasa bi ticket ko gina bonten onko ka nyame samo a na wa won kwa asore no wa won kwa asore no wa wan kasa wuti go bi asore
ni asore ko na so ko sakto bi so on kwa asore no wan kasa no wo e cha wo san wo nkwa asore o What's your being password? Won't password, what's your being a day on password? Now, we are fine. What's the Ben Hoko?
Right.
Now, never is Anna. We can't quotation from 12 mammy. Young us, a first Romans chapter 16, verses number 18.
Roman formula 18.
A bad is hard, yeah, Mimi, no, the American. So for Pentecost, who preacher no appointed me for Pentecost. Yes, so that we did, yeah, but saying young sorry.
Now, one hour to Sano and some
password, yeah, no smell radios.
Nemum or someone I have fun. Now the Tetraman day. But Jack one take a Tetraman. I said, Bacobacasandia. The Kodoko Sam, the Bia or Kadia, but for woman day. Easy. And I go so Charles so dear. And the young Fiamamica, when you say, ask chapter 17, verse 16. Now, if I walk a cabin, you had you want 70 more, and then you may do a Siswa, and so preaching can see. And yes, now Paul Chawa Atene. Now only said Chrono at the one Amma. Oh, trouble, no, who's a point your mamma was and whom I wouldn't, and to shut them. And only you that for any of the fellow for Casa. We are not quite far. Now, a German so da now on the one or back to na a German so da na on ne one or back to da a Casafa Apostle. Nana, or yes, I can over verse 30 when I run it down, verse 33 no, or yes, I can look on the song, poor Tremor or July. I throw Cromwell at Kanyam, some chums of Betchum and Zoom. Yago, the power free Mukoy, Profit from Akon, Nippy, and the one who born, or Gidi, no Mubine, Dionisio, a Ropagita, and Obabia. Damari, a Binuma or Canahon. One which was there, or Cocan would come on young Prophobia, which has 7 years a day, Eddie, young Casse, and Cocania Massambujum. But Bomati so many of no Casamana, over Chaka, or Casa, no one Chakran, who is a Wootosini, our baby, when you're for Boo. Evangelist for America Sumanodi, if it's some starting evangelist for topic, and I can 4 times. Okay. Not Baco Frame, Casam Parwayanum. Eti yanka memfa nyom no topic we memfa nyom no nto ase ana na o kasa de bia why no send me message e wo WhatsApp waka azu no wie yo radio so pese ye bo nyom a ya radio for nyom to for ye hye bia o eni constitution mu ahwete ho ase asa tira for de ye friend solid ana wo boy is your friend payo eti na bia sorry ado kan na wadaro ba de fa menyum no to ase because advantage is evangelist for abaha ye titi evangelist for topic ado come see you mate me so ya menta nyi ni pa chi ni ana wa the kasa anwa na say wo come see you mate it is all your accountant na da bia woduma for ba ho abosiabo oba no okrokro no so mate but onfa ma no Please carry your dear. Yeah. Yes, our auditors boy, but you are too. It is an ye acquire no debt. Evangelist, what are Roma? One of our said the bet was here. A trasamable. A trasamable, Nama Bonzo. A trasaw bibi, Naya bibi, so obey and so. The Assam Sabe. Yet, the new constitution, the friend is Solid as Payo. As a job for Apostle Oko Ajemai living Yahweh 7 days Sabbath assemblies and Okasa Ye and Yam market now so was Sabbath City. Ubetran was 7 DS radio and as 7 DS GH TV. Now oh friend direct numbers in here 0242 32 71 72 0242 327 172 0207 211337 0207 211337 and 0270 070009 0270 070009 obetwena na akasa na concept fufuro bia